In this video, I will show you how you can log into your Apple account on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Apple account over here. Now if you have an iPhone or any other Apple device, you can sign into your Apple account using that device. But if you do not have another Apple device and if you want to sign in manually, just select Sign in manually. Now in this section, just enter your Apple ID. After you enter your Apple ID, then just tap on Enter. And in this section, just enter the password of your Apple ID. After you enter the password of your Apple ID, then just tap on Done. And after you do that, you will receive a verification code on the phone number which is linked with your Apple ID. And after you receive the verification code, then just enter it into this section. After you enter the verification code, now just wait for a couple of seconds. And after that, just tap on Continue. Now just enter your lock screen passcode. Now after you do that, you will sign into your Apple account on your iPad 11 A16. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.